In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light bulbs on your 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. It's a very easy video, so let's get started. The only tool you will need for this is a Phillips head screwdriver, and get a screwdriver with a thick tip, like says PH2 on this one, get one like that. Alright, that's the headlight, that's the fog light, and the way to access it is from underneath the fog light there. That's where the access panel is. So we need to get those two clips off. That's one. And that is the second one right there. Yep, that's it. So we can now use the screwdriver and get those clips off. You screw it left, then you can use your hand, pull the clip out, screw it left, pull the clip out. Now we can access the bulb so we can get that panel out of the way. And now once you get your hand in there, that's what the bulb and the connector looks like. So the way to get the connector off is just simply pinch on the left there and pull it off, right? Now I'll show you how this connector and the bulb works together. So see that plastic piece over there? If for some reason the bulb were to come loose, the connector would hit that plastic piece, and that would make sure that the bulb doesn't just come right off of the unit. That right there. Now let's get the connector off. Grab the bulb, twist it left, and off the bulb comes. Let's go ahead and put the new bulb back in. And when you're trying to put the new bulb back in, you can look at the bulb from outside, just so you can use it as a guide. When you put in the bulb in, make sure it sits snug like that, and then simply just twist it right. Let's go ahead and put the connector back on. Now we just need to put that two clips back on the access panel there. Put the clip on, screw it. Let's do it for the second one. And that is pretty much it. And that was the exact same process for the right side fog lamp. But I'm just going to show you the video just so you know it's the exact same one, and it's just as easy. So let's go ahead and look at the video for the right side fog light. Exact same steps over there. And as you can see, this is a very easy process. And you can even upgrade your fog lights with LED ones. I got them off of the internet for pretty cheap, $20, and these are LED lights, really bright, makes the car look really good at night. I'm going to put the link to the one that I bought in the description down there. So go ahead and check them out if you like. You can upgrade your fog lights, and that is pretty much it.